Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna show you about how to create your own bot in Character AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Character AI in here lets you create characters and you could talk to them. So before we get started, you'll just need to head onto their website first. You'll just need to search in their Character.ai and you should be able to see this website. So there are a few things to remember before starting. So first, everything that the character says is made up. So don't trust everything they say or take them too seriously. So characters may mistakenly be offensive, so please rate these messages 1 star. And characters can be anything. So the breakthrough AI technology can bring all of your ideas to life. So they hope that you should have a lot of fun bringing your imagination to life, and they can't wait to talk with you with the characters you create. So before we get started, you need also to accept or manage the cookies to enhance your user experience. So you'll just need to choose onto which one, and this is what the dashboard looks like. So as you can see, you should be able to see in here the different characters that has been made already. So these are the recommended ones. Here onto its bottom part, there are also different categories that should help you. So they have the featured in here, discovered, helpers, anime characters, games, and many more. So you could scroll through all of them in here to view its details, and you should be able to see its creator as well. So if you scroll down further, you should be able also to see in here the different prompts that you could use onto each character. So we have here the character assistant, Elon Musk, alternate timeliness, and who would win. So there are a lot of things in here that you could go ahead and explore. Now you should be able to see a search bar in here onto its upper part, and there are a lot of options such as choosing a new language, or you could log in and sign up. So if you don't have an account yet, let's try to click on to sign up to create an account. Now signing up is just easy. You have the option to choose from your Google account, Apple account, or you could enter your email. And also, please note that the use of Character AI is bound by the terms and service and privacy policy. So you should need to read onto both of this before you get started. And personally, I try to link all of my accounts onto the Google in here so that I don't have to remember my email and password. I'll just have to click onto the email that I want to use. Now, right after you've signed up, you're almost ready to begin talking to and creating the characters. So first things first, you need a username first. So you could actually change this at any time. Also type in your date of birth, and then right after you'll just need to go ahead and click onto the checkbox to understand and agree the policies. Now once everything is set, you'll just need to click on to join character. Then right after, it is time for you to craft your identity, tailor it for each chat. So you'll just need to go ahead and create your persona for that. So as you can see, you could add in a basic information about your persona and what do you want characters to know about you. So you'll just need to add in a description in here, just like your name, gender, age, eye color, and many more. And then you could go ahead and save that one. So this is like your user profile in here. You could go ahead and share this. You should be able to see the characters made as well in here and all of your posts. So right after that, to go ahead and start creating, we're just gonna head here onto the left side. You should be able to go home onto that one. Also, you could browse the feed here, which are the different posts by other users. Also, we have the chats in the community, and to create, we're gonna click onto the create button. So there is option for you to create a character, create a room, or a persona. So we're gonna go ahead and create a character in here to proceed. Now, as you can see, we got redirected onto the create a character page. So for more information about character creation, you could go ahead and click onto the character book in here for more info for this. Now if you click onto the character book, you should be able to see a guide in here onto what are the things that you should do. So first step is defining a character, and there are a lot of things that you could learn in here, such as the character attributes, character training, the personas, and many more. So you'll just have to scroll onto each thing in here so that you could understand more onto regarding the creation of a character. Now let's start first onto the creation with the name. So the name can include first and last name, so it should be optional if you will provide a last name. So we could try adding a name in here, which is Anna. So as you can see in here, onto the greeting, it will automatically add I am Anna as well. So here onto the greeting, this is what would Anna say to introduce themselves. So there are example also in here, like for example for Albert Einstein, they would say, hello, I am Albert Einstein, born in this month, and I conceive of the theory of special relativity and general relativity. So you could go ahead and add in yours in here. So let's type in something here. Now, so you can see I have added a greeting already in here. So right after that is step 3, which is toggle image generation. So this character generates image alongside text. So if you want to go ahead and want to see a character generated, every text that you will type in, you'll just need to enable this one in here. Then right after, we have here the visibility. So this is where you could go ahead and choose who is allowed to talk to Anna. So you could add in onto the public, wherein anyone can chat, enlisted, anyone with a link can chat, or private, only you can chat. So you could just choose onto which one you want to choose. And then right after, we also have the avatar in here, wherein you could either create an image from text or upload an image. So if you have a reference in there, you could go ahead and add it in here. And then if you want to go ahead and add in more advanced details, you'll just have to click onto this one in here. Now, as you noticed, right after you click onto this, you should be able to receive more information that you need to fill in regarding your character that you're creating. So you could add in a short description, a long description. Also, there are categories to choose in here onto what you want to go ahead and use. Image generation, the visibility, which we've gone ahead and tried to explain already earlier. Character remixing, so these will allow you or others can view or remix the character using it as a template for their own character. So you could go ahead and have this as remixable, or you could go ahead and private this so that no one can use this. And also users view and post comments on the character profile, you could enable that or disable. And example conversation, so just like what we've seen already onto the dashboard, so there are sample conversations that you could add in there so that they'll have a gist onto what your character is all about. So here you could also add in some example conversation and information to define your character more. So the first 15 to 30 messages are the most important for this, so you could go ahead and try to add in some things in here to go ahead and define your character more. Now, since we're just starting out, let's just gonna go ahead and skip onto the advanced details, but you could delve onto that more. Let's just gonna click onto create and chat. And now, as you can see right after that, our character is already created. So we're gonna go ahead and type in something in here or type a message to Anna so that we could see its response. So we're just gonna send our message in here, and as you can see, we're just gonna wait for Anna's response. Now, as you can see, this is the response that we got. Let's ask Anna, how are you? And as you can see, this is the response that you'll get. So if you've noticed here onto the upper part, if you click onto this button in here, you could go ahead and share your character. And if you click onto the 3 dots, you could save and start a new chat, view saved chats, you could create a post, remove messages, and you could also see the character profile. So let's try to click onto character profile in here, and you should be able to see in here. And also you could start a new chat, edit the character, see the example chats and comments, and many more. Now, if you want to go ahead and try to create an avatar for your character, just go and head back onto edit character in here and click onto the avatar option in here. Click onto create image to go ahead and generate. So I'll just have to wait for that one. And you'll just need to describe in here what your avatar should look like. So you'll just need to add a clear description in here just like that, and then right after you'll just need to click on to create. Now you should be able to see already the generated image in here, and if you're not satisfied, you could go ahead and tweak your prompt in here and create again. And if you're already good with this one, you'll just have to click on to set avatar. And that's just basically it onto how to create a character here onto Character.ai. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.